Hello, this is Tyres. I've got a VW Golf here on a 2010-2011 plate. It's got 18-inch wheels on there. Just going to show you how to check the tyre pressures and everything. So you got on the fuel cap itself, you've not got the size, but you got the tyre pressure 2.3, 2.3, 2.5 and 3 bar. Now that's about 33 psi front and rear with no load, 35 to 42 psi with load. Now to reset the tyre pressure warning light, it's quite a simple procedure. You can see right there. Now usually you'd have to sort of do it through these buttons here, like if you press OK, press back, and then you've got this information right here, but it's not on winter tires. So you press back again, press back, and then you look around this area here, see if you've got any symbols, like sort of button with a tire inflation mark. If you haven't got none of that, then you look in the glove compartment. As you can see right inside, I'm going to need to get the flasher on. And if you see this button right here, that's what you got to press and hold. If I press and hold the button, it's really not doing much. So what I now do is, if I switch the ignition off, close the door, switch the ignition on, and then press and hold that button. Give it about 5 seconds. If that still doesn't do it, so I start the car up, press the clutch, start the car up, doors are shut, hold the button. Now this one is not allowing me to reset the tyre pressure warning light. So there could be only two things. Basically, either the sensor's faulty, if it's got one. If it hasn't got a sensor, it's in the ABS ring, that would be then faulty, or there's a malfunction in the pressure. So you need to take it to VWs and get them to have a look at it. Thank you. Sorry if I couldn't help you there. Thank you very much. Goodbye.